So today it's the 30th of May 2023. And we have Pursimiehenkatu. Was once called 16 staircase B. We just done the staircase C here. We should get to staircase A here later. It's also here in Punavuori, Pärjän. ASEA Force, Pursimiehenkatu, Finland. With 5 floors. This number is 492612. Built in 1937 or 38. Is this there after the year 1937?
Yeah.
38. Oh, interesting, really. ASEA Sähkö. The best after the one was near 1961 here. Turned 85 years old in this year. So this has 3 lights. We need to turn on the lights. The elderly woman, caretaker, they're not here.
Yeah.
They're gone. Yeah, they have beautiful numbers, room numbers on the floor.
Yeah.
I love this building here.
Inspected by Lift Control Finland, maintained by Backup Seuraniskeskus.
I see this original.
Yeah.
So, really amazing. Is it the third one?
Yeah.
This side.
Yeah.
They can see the sign was changed in 96 days or something.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope we'll get to stakes A as soon as possible.
That's